Hey YouTube, it's Kid, and so I'm gonna show you how to install SideQuest. So first and foremost, make sure you have a developer mode enabled on your headset. If you don't have it enabled, you can check out my other video here. And one of the prerequisites as well is having this program installed called Mobile VR Station. Now make sure that is installed as well. You can install this from the MetaQuest store. From here, searching up Mobile VR Station. All right. So once you do that, let's install SideQuest. It's a really cool app that'll let you install like 3,000 apps and games and all this fun good stuff, right? So you'll go into the MetaQuest browser, and then once it loads up, you got to go to sidequest.com. So we're gonna type that in here. Like I did another take of this already. It's the dumbest thing ever. I don't know what happened. We're gonna go to sidequestvr.com. And it's going to pull up the lovely website here. You guys did an amazing job here. By the way, they have this app called Banter. It's kind of like VR chat. It's kind of like MetaQuest Horizon. Definitely check this out, yo. They're doing some giveaways right now, man. Definitely check it out. But besides all that, go up top here. Go to Get SideQuest. And once you do that, you can install this multiple ways. You can install this on your computer. You can do the easy installer and advanced installer. Please don't ask me the difference because I don't know. But I mean, there's useful features here you can see. I think maybe it's more in depth with the advanced one, but we don't want all that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the bottom here. Actually, no, you're not. You're gonna go up here and you're gonna go to show more, right? And then yeah, where the heck is it? Hold on, bro. Where in the world? Wait a second. It's supposed to be here. Oh, Windows. Download for Windows. No. Where's the GitHub John at? Yeah, it was right here. I think it went away. Or am I tripping? Oh, I'm a nut. Oh my goodness. Aliens, I suck. Sorry. No. All right. So once you go here, you'll go here. You'll go up top and then you'll search up SideQuest again. There you go. See, this is why I'm a terrible. If y'all want better reviewers, man, or better just helpers, dog, just y'all already know what it is, man. But you'll search up SideQuest here, and then you'll see at the top here, it'll suggest actual SideQuest. There we go. SideQuest inside your headset. So this is just the way to install it on your headset without you actually installing it on your computer. And then you'll scroll to the bottom here. Then you go to download APK directly. That link in the description there. I can also put it in the description of the YouTube video if you want to, sideload the YouTube app here. Scroll all the way to the bottom here. You can also go to the YouTube app and pull it up here if you go to my channels there. And then you can go to app release APK right here. Install that. It's going to install the application here. App release APK. Once that's finished, you're going to go to that mobile station VR station here. All right, so we're going to go to mobile VR station. Going to open this up. Once again, if you don't know how to get here, I explained it in the beginning of the video, but I'll also put it at the bottom of the description. I'm going to take you to this galaxy. All right, you're going to want to go to, you want to go to DLNA. Oops, sorry, wrong thing again. Wrong thing again. All right, dang, dog, I suck. All right, you're gonna scroll down to configuration wizard. Then I'm here to mod, and then configure scope, yes, and then the first part. Why is it clicking so fast? All right, and then it goes to the menu right here. All right, and then you're gonna go to your Quest 3. You're gonna go to your downloads, okay, and then you're gonna go to your sort. You're gonna go to the newest first. There's the app there. You're gonna click the arrows pointing out way. All right, and then you're gonna go to continue, and then you're gonna install SideQuest. Now, for some strange, odd, cornball reason, it does not show it. You're gonna keep clicking right here until it installs, right? And then once SideQuest is finished installing, it's gonna say open. You're not gonna want to hit open. You're gonna go to your app library here. Go here. Go back to your. Go to unknown sources. Scroll down, and you want to go to SideQuest. All right, and then it's going to ask you to type this in. So you're gonna have to figure out how you're gonna get there. You can easily go back to your app library, go back to your apps here, go to the MetaQuest browser or whatever. I usually go to Edge, but here we are. We're gonna go to SDQ dot st should pop up there up top. Okay, link. I'm gonna link that, John. It's gonna make you sign in, create an account so you can get them cool credits. And I'm gonna type 629737. Enter, link now. Go to your account, whatever. All right, this should start working. There we go. Hit allow. Booyah, you are in SideQuest. So now you can literally search up any of these free apps here. You can go to here. It'll show you your library, your download queues, custom homes. I highly recommend the Silent Hill home. So awesome. Go to games and apps here. You can sort by free. You know, if you're broke like me, you go to free. You know what I'm saying? Hit apply. And it shows you all the free apps here, right? And you're like, okay, this is pretty cool, Raz. You know, this is pretty dope. So you go on here, right? You click on an application here. You accept all. And let's say you want this PokeQuest VR, right? Cool. You go to sideload. It's going to download the application and it's going to show up in your unknown sources, just like SideQuest did. It's going to install. You're going to hit install and it's going to work. So if you have any other questions, just let me know. They have emulators on here. They have so much stuff on here. I appreciate the SideQuest team for for allowing us to do this show. If you have any other questions or you want some more tutorials, just let me know. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna see you in the next episode. Peace.